Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 3% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.7% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street stocks advanced and the dollar and treasury yields fell after new US inflation data showed a slowdown in the seemingly relentless rise of consumer prices. Crypto exchange FTX's lawyers have asked for a US bankruptcy court in Delaware to award recovery of more than $323.5 million from FTX's Europe leadership. According to a court filing, Eurozone finance ministers agreed that the single currency area needed a determined, gradual and realistic reduction of government spending to boost economic growth and prepare for future challenges.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Export Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 0430 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.